see about liver abscesses. The definition of liver abscess: it is a localized collection of pus inside the liver parenchyma. The liver abscesses are nothing but localized collection of pus present inside the liver parenchyma. First, the etiology of liver abscesses. The most common causative agent is Entamoeba histolytica, which is a protozoa. It causes amoebic liver abscess. As the name suggests, Entamoeba. So it causes amoebic liver abscess. Next etiology is secondary infection due to hydatid cyst by Echinococcus granulosus and less commonly by other organisms. The third etiology is pyogenic abscess caused by bacterial infection. Pyogenic is pus forming. So this is caused by bacteria. Next, the fungal abscesses are caused most commonly by the fungi Candida. The most common cause is Entamoeba histolytica forming amoebic liver abscess. Next, secondary infection of hydatid cyst, that is Echinococcus granulosus. Then the pyogenic abscess due to bacterial infections and fungal abscesses due to Candida. Next, coming to the mode of infection. The mode of infection can be through portal vein. So there can be portal spread of intra-abdominal infections like appendicitis or colitis. So from the abdomen through the portal vein, the infection reaches into the liver forming liver abscess. Next mode of infection can be through the artery, like through the hepatic artery during septicemia. The next mode of infection is by the ascending infection in the biliary tract, like in case of ascending cholangitis. And the fourth mode of infection is through the direct invasion of the liver. So through portal vein, arteries like hepatic artery, ascending infection in biliary tract like ascending cholangitis, or direct invasion of liver. All these are the modes of infection of liver abscess. Next is the morphology of liver abscess. Grossly, the abscess can be either multiple or solitary, and they are most commonly seen in the right lobe of the liver. And their size varies. It can range up to 10 cm in size. The clinical features of liver abscess include fever, right upper quadrant pain, tender hepatomegaly, and jaundice when there is extrahepatic biliary obstruction. So the clinical features of liver abscess are fever, right upper quadrant pain, tender hepatomegaly, and jaundice when there is extrahepatic biliary obstruction. Next, let's see about the amoebic liver abscess. Amoebic liver abscess is the most common extraintestinal complication of amoebic dysentery. So this is caused by the protozoa Entamoeba histolytica. Grossly, the amoebic liver abscess ranges from 8 to 12 cm in diameter. It appears well circumscribed and it is usually subdiaphragmatic in location. So it is usually present in subdiaphragmatic region, and the abscess cavity contains thick dark material which is in the consistency of anchovy sauce or anchovy paste or chocolate like fluid. So the amoebic liver abscess is 8 to 12 cm in diameter, well circumscribed, present in the subdiaphragmatic region, and the abscess cavity contains thick dark material which is like anchovy paste or anchovy sauce or like chocolate. Next is the microscopy of amoebic liver abscess. In the microscopy, we can see the trophozoites of Entamoeba histolytica which are demonstrated in the periphery. The clinical features are same as we have seen earlier, that is fever, right upper quadrant pain, and tender hepatomegaly, and jaundice is present if there is extrahepatic obstruction. Lastly, the complications of amoebic liver abscess. The amoebic liver abscess can rupture into thoracic cavity to produce empyema or lung abscess. or it can rupture into the peritoneal cavity, producing peritonitis. The next complication is when it invades the blood. Through the blood, it can reach the brain and lung, forming abscesses in brain and lung abscess. So the complications are empyema lung abscess when it ruptures into the thoracic cavity, peritonitis when it ruptures into the peritoneal cavity, and when it invades the blood, it can reach the brain and the lung to form brain abscess and lung abscess. So this is all about the liver abscesses and amoebic liver abscess. Thank you.